By the end of this video, you'll know why some teenagers are making more money than adults in 2026. And the scary part is, most people still haven't noticed. Schools still teach old survival rules, while the internet quietly created a completely new economy. In 2026, attention became the most valuable currency on Earth. That's why faceless creators are exploding right now. Method number 1 doesn't require showing your face. Faceless Shorts channels are printing money because people are addicted to fast dopamine. You don't need followers. You need retention. The creators winning in 2026 understand one thing. People don't watch information, they watch emotion. That's why cinematic storytelling beats normal content now. The second money method feels almost unfair. Teenagers are building full businesses with AI tools alone. AI now edits videos faster than professionals. But here's what nobody tells you. AI alone won't make you rich. Emotion still wins. The smartest teenagers sell things that don't physically exist. One file, infinite sales. A single template can make money while you sleep. And most adults still think money only comes from jobs. That system is dying. If you learn one high-income skill now, you'll be ahead for years. Most teenagers waste this opportunity. Editing, copywriting, AI automation, these skills are exploding. And the craziest part, you can learn all of this free online.
The internet became the new university.
Your audience becomes your income. In 2026, attention is leverage, and leverage changes lives. The internet doesn't care about your age anymore. And those few people change their future forever.
If you think this was crazy, wait until you see the hidden psychology apps used to keep you addicted. That video is on screen right now.